The next part of this lab is to create technical drawings of the parts in the assembly in NX. To switch between models and drawing, and going down to the bottom right, we will click on drafting. Selecting the A4 paper size, click OK. And this brings up a draft of a drawing. The first window that appears allows for the filling of the information at the bottom right, such as date, drawing name, drawing author, etc. The next window that pops up allows for changes in layout and format of the drawing. Under Layout, make sure that top, parent view, right, and isometric are selected, as this is the third angle view format typical of technical drawings. You can add other orientations as necessary if the drawing requires it. To add measurements to the drawing, use the various labeling, dimensioning options at the top bar here. Using the pin, for example, we can add the thickness of the pin head, the thickness of the bolt, the diameter of the bolt, the length of one of the sides to the pin head, and the angle between the sides of the pin head. This process would also be repeated for the other parts, as well as the assembly. Typically, assembly drawings do not usually contain many measurements unless necessary, such as if the overall dimensions are significantly larger than any of the component parts. For this ball valve in particular, the fact that the handle protrudes much farther out from the width of the base and that it contributes more to the height than just the base part itself would be something that you might want to include as measurements. Otherwise, measurements can usually be intuited from their component parts. To return to modeling from this drafting view, simply go back up to File, go back down to the bottom right, and go to Modeling. And this will bring you back to the modeling view. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching,